Kentucky, Christian County, Kentucky, Caldwell County, Kentucky, McLean County in northwestern Kentucky, Trigg County, Kentucky, Central Todd County, Kentucky, Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky, Webster County in northwestern Kentucky, southeastern Lyon County, Kentucky, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Providence to near Compton near Wrangler's campground, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hopkinsville, Madisonville, Oak Grove, Princeton, Central City, Providence, Dawson Springs, Cadiz, Elkton, Calhoun, Fort Campbell, Wrangler's Campground, land between the lakes area, Sebring, Burlington, Livermore, Nortonville, Clay, Pembroke, and Morgan's Gap. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 51 and 92. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 76 and 137. Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 39 and 59. Penny-Ryle Parkway between mile markers 1 and 34. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Caldwell, Christian, Crittenden, Hopkins, Lyon, McLean, Muhlenberg, Todd, Trigg, and Webster. Here are some 2 p.m.